Hi everybody, this video is being posted on Tuesday, February 8th, 2022. I'm Jeremy Werkheiser, the maintenance manager here at Fastenal in Jessup, Pennsylvania. I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she's in Alaska training to be a musher for a dog sled race. At least that's what I've been told. This past Saturday, the college held its annual Alumni Jockey Night at the Mohegan Sun Arena in Wilkes-Barre. It was a great event. Thank you to all of the Johnson College alumni who came out to watch the Wilkes-Barre Scranton Penguins take on the Providence Bruins. If you would like to attend future alumni events, including the upcoming 29th Annual Johnson College Open, check the college website, johnson.edu, for updates. This Friday, February 11th, is the deadline for high school staff to register their students for Johnson College's 3D printing competition on March 11th. The competition is an opportunity for high school students to showcase their abilities and creativity using science, technology, engineering, and math techniques. Teachers or advisors interested in signing their students up for the competition should visit johnson.edu for more information. Students, do you need help creating or organizing a resume? If so, stop by the Academic Resource Center on campus to schedule an appointment with the college's Student Success Coordinators. They will help you create or update your resume so you can use it when applying for jobs and distribute it during the college's upcoming on-campus career fair for students and alumni on Wednesday, March 23rd. A resume is essential, so stop by the Resident Resource Center today. As I mentioned today, I'm coming to you from where I work, Fastenal and Jessup, a proud Johnson College industry partner. Fastenal comes from humble beginnings with a strong culture and values. This company has doubled in size every 5 to 7 years and plans on being a $10 billion company by 2025. We are looking for the next wave of talent, as the opportunities will be here for a long tenured career in the warehouse, traffic, or leadership positions. And now for my final note of the week, Johnson College has been instrumental in my career. The Technician Apprentice Program certification I received in 2010 provided me with the skills I needed to get a job at Fastenal and to excel in the management position I hold today. Johnson College's excellence in education and hands-on training, which aren't offered at other colleges, help many gain family-sustaining jobs in the area, including me. As Johnson College advances into the future, I'm excited to see what lies ahead for the students, staff, alumni, and the surrounding communities. That's it for this week's presidential update video. From Fastenal and Jessup, I'm Jeremy Werkheiser, filling in for Dr. Katie, who may be back next week. Thanks for watching and have a great week.